Before we get today's video started, I want to give back to you, Cuffaros. I have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra right here. It's like a $1,000 phone. Also, this brand new Apple Watch, still sealed. If you want to enter into winning either one of these, I am doing a massive Pokemon live stream on the 15th of this month. Slabs on slabs on slabs. Look at that. PSA 10 Charizard. UPC 9.5 Zard. PSA 10 Venusaur. PSA 10 Dragonite. Beautiful cards, man. And there are just so many to run. Sealed packs. Running some single auctions. So many slabs. All in the app called Whatnot. It's not sponsored, by the way. This is literally not sponsored. This exact stream has been in the works for weeks now. I bought a phone mount, okay? That said something. Oh, and did I mention you're also getting $10 for free to spend on the app? So when I run a card, you have $10 to bid immediately for free. What do you gotta do to enter, you may ask? Go to the link in the description, click the top link. After you click the top link in the description, it'll bring you to where you click claim your $10. If you have an account, log in. If you don't have an account, create an account. Super easy, it takes a couple seconds. After you create an account, make sure to click users at the top of the search bar. Type in Paul_Cuffaro. Click on the profile that pops up right there at the top. Make sure to give me a follow, and then right below that, the most important part of all this, there is a bookmark button. All you have to do is click that button. It turns yellow. Once you've bookmarked it, that will notify you when the stream goes live. And when the stream goes live, then we will be giving away in the stream these two items. So you just hang out, watch the stream, have fun with us. By the way, this giveaway is completely free. You just got to be tuned into the live stream when it goes down. So many slabs are being ran. It's going to be a crazy, crazy live stream where I'm giving away over $1,500 in free stuff. So if you're not there, you're missing out. Go bookmark the stream. Again, links in the description. Mark your calendar, set an alarms. March 15th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is going to be an epic stream giving away this stuff and selling so much of my personal collection in Pokemon. I want to see all you Cuffaros over there bookmarking. Let's show Whatnot what is up. I'm not even being sponsored by them. I just want to see the Cuffaros run that stream up, and people are gonna be like, who the heck are these people? Now, without further ado, enjoy this banger. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. By the title and thumbnail, you're probably thinking to yourself, what in the heck do you mean, Paul? It's time. It has come to that point now that we've...
Mom! Mommy! 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 Mama! Mama!
Hello, Mom. I was just shooting an intro, and then the ringtone went off of Stewie. Mommy? Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it in, actually. Kevin, what up, Kev? Chilling over here with your two Mallard girlfriends now, huh? My guy likes to switch it up. I see how it is, all right? Anyway, back to today's video. I've been putting this video off for weeks and weeks, at this point months. We have big news today, and it's a big chapter opening and also closing. PC Farm 1.0 has been an absolute blast since the day I bought it. We had so much fun building so many different projects. Lots of great content was made here. Lots of animals rescued. And I say this as if I'm never gonna film here again. This is definitely not the last time I'm gonna film here, but I have plans to actually sell the house. The house is going to be sold, and it's going to be sold to a family you've probably been seeing in a lot of my recent videos. VZ Kids is what they go by on YouTube. They started up a channel and they wanted to have a farm for their family. And it worked out perfectly because they actually let me keep some of the animals here because my property is smaller now. It'll all make sense later in this video when I do explain all that, but things just worked out in such a good way. It was like a blessing in disguise for sure. And today's video is me explaining what is being kept and not being kept, and what I'm gonna bring to the new property and not bring to the new property, and who the VZ Kids are, and so much more. This video is absolutely filled with information that you do not want to miss, so make sure to stick along, stay tuned. And I just want to give you like a behind the scenes thing. As of May this year, this house will officially be the VZ Kids, but until then, they are just helping me out with the farm, doing their own thing here, building their own stuff. They were cool enough to let me obviously move my animals slowly over to the new place and start working on their farm here. It's really complicated, and I don't need to get that deep into it, but without further ado.
Yo, what's up, PC?
Hey man, how you doing? You're all in different colored shirts.
What's going on? You called us over here. We're trying to figure out what you needed. Did we do something wrong?
Yeah, I actually got to kick you guys out.
I mean, we've been helping. We didn't...
No, you're gone. Every single one of you. No, I'm kidding, man. I wanted to introduce you to the Cuffaros. These are the peeps. I know you've been watching, but...
What's going on, guys? We're the VZ Kids, the VZ fam. Anthony VZ, Alyssa, Mama VZ, I'm Papa VZ, Rihanna VZ, and Jayla VZ.
So you've met all the VZ Kids, and they have a lot to tell us today. So one of the reasons why I wanted to make this video in specific is because you guys can watch my farm, this farm, the farm I started at, still every single day that they upload it's gonna be mostly, right? It's all, the videos are gonna be here. You're gonna build their own farm in their own way here, kind of off what I had existing. So it's gonna be awesome for you guys. The Cuffaros, the PC Farm 1.0 is not officially off of YouTube. It's still gonna be around. I'm obviously gonna visit still. The VZ kids are doing insane projects here, but I want you to explain to us some of the things you have going on.
We've done a lot. I mean, we replaced all the power here. We got animals coming, we got llamas coming, we got chickens coming, we got more fish coming in the 4,000 gallon aquarium.
Well, I'm locking you guys out here. You can come on in, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Thanks for inviting us in.
I mean, only all your furniture is inside the house, so you can come on in.
Thanks. Appreciate it. Thanks for letting us hang out.
We're gonna show all this, by the way, 100%. We gotta show all this. And Hector's here actually building your...
Oh yeah, I didn't tell you. We kidnapped Hector. He's now a VZ kid.
I'm gonna have to talk to him about this.
He's with us now. We feed him very well, and he said he's staying.
Did you get him Corona Extra? Yeah, if you get him Corona Extra, he will be your best friend.
The first thing he saw when he walked up is me with the 2 things of Corona, and he said, "My friend!" So we got the fire pit here. We're gonna make this a lot bigger, probably a gazebo or something over here so we can all hang out. We got the trampoline where the VZ kids spend most of their time.
We need to see a trick. Koa, how did you even... Oh, and Mia. What are you doing?
Don't jump.
Come on. Bam. That was clean. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh yeah. Oh, I got it still. Ah! You have anything cool planned for this pond? Because I got a bunch of pacu. By the way, I have a bunch of pacu in here. They know that. Arowana in here. I don't even know if that thing's still in here, but there's a lot of fish in here. Koi fish, tilapia. Want to take a couple of the pacu once I get my pond set up at home. But everything else is staying with you. So do you have anything cool planned?
All right, so do you see what was originally the cow house?
Yeah.
We're basically gonna put a bunch of paddle boards and canoes and stuff in there and have that where we store everything for this. And this is gonna be our personal pool.
Yeah, see this property now has, how many kids you got, 7? I'm just kidding.
11.
There's 4 kids now on this property. You know, it was just me before, and I had a blast. Now I couldn't imagine 4 of myself 10 years younger. I'd have a lot of fun.
Since Paul got the pigs out of here, we decided to come and lay a whole bunch of grass down. So as you see, we laid about
It looks
8
crazy.
pallets.
8?
We got about 1.5 left, and it's gonna go to here, which is gonna be the llama house.
That's sick. I love to see the yard put into work. This grass in here looks a little bit different, huh? Looks a lot different, actually. Wait, the mud pit's gone. Hey, I'm coming to get you fellas here soon, once the building gets done so I can finish everything else. But yeah, this is awesome. This looks great, dude. I gotta get that too.
ASAP. Because we're gonna put a chicken coop right here, 30 feet long. It's gonna hold about 30 chickens in it.
Wow, that's a big chicken coop. This grass is gonna thrive. Koa, did you see your twin? It's literally your twin. Look at. Hey, what's going on? Oscar? Boots, where you at? There he is. Hey, Boots. Oh my gosh, Mama goat, don't do that to little baby. Hey, King. I can't wait to get the goats over to the house. I miss these guys, but they're coming soon. Gary, what's going on? Imposter Kev is here. I don't like you. I don't like you. Yeah, he is staying here. He'll be your guy's Kevin. He'll be the PC Farm 1.0. Yeah, VZ Kids Kevin. So, in the last couple of weeks, let me close this. She just come up and eat out of our hand. Remember these things were so scared? Now they like to be touched. Look at them all. You really like to just bite, huh? You're not even biting on it. You're like sucking on my finger. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna rinse it off in your little pool. But yeah, the baby brown ones are getting much better, a lot better with people, as you can see. They've been spending a lot of time with them. So those are gonna stay here at the farm. They'll grow up here at the PC Farm 1.0 along with Willow. Willow is gonna stay because these are obviously her babies, and then Batman. And then we got the male pig right here that is the boyfriend of both of these ones over here. So these are all staying. These are all yours, man.
Mama, Daddy, Batman.
Yep. We got the hogs as well. The enclosure gets like real wet right here and then stays dry over here. But I think we're gonna bring in some fill, right? In for the hogs, and the hogs are as well. Look how big they're getting. What are you guys feeding these things? Steroids?
Steroids, 2 cc's a week, and we take them to the gym with us.
There you go. Yeah, these things look like it. Anyway, hogs, yes, are staying as well. So the hogs, so pretty much this side right here. The hogs and all these over here are staying with the VZ kids here at the original farm in their original enclosures. I bought in a different location. People may wonder, like, why the heck would you buy a smaller lot? I bought in a better location. Being out here was too far for me to do other content like fish content and ocean content, stuff like that, so I purchased something closer into town, which is a lot more money, so I had to buy smaller land. But it all works out.
What we're doing with these guys here is we're gonna move all of them where Lady May and Mango are.
So once I get Lady May and Mango out, these pigs are going there.
Yes. And what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna make this a tortoise and turtle area with a nice little fence here. I don't know if you guys are longtime OG Cuffaro fans.
I did that exact same thing right here. All overlay clips. Like, I literally had that exact same thing that they want to do right here when I did have my own tortoises. What, Willow? You excited to get a new place? You're moving on to enclosure over there. 20,000 likes, and all you need to stay inside one of these enclosures. And I think the Cuffaros get to pick the enclosure.
I agree.
Comment down below an enclosure you want to see the VZ kids stay in for 24 hours, and smash the like button so that they actually have to do it. Yep.
So we said it on our channel, but they're gonna do.
So you gotta go over to VZ Kids channel and smash the like button on his video as well. Guys, I really wanna see this family just have an absolute blast on the farm. So if you have a second, just go over to the channel, click subscribe on VZ Kids, watch what they have to come, because this property is just gonna be built into something even better than it already was. I'm excited for it. I can still come here, which is the best part. I'm not just selling it to anyone random, you know what I mean? I can come here, film their animals with some of my animals. Obviously, we're leaving some pigs. It's gonna be an absolute blast. It couldn't have worked out any better, and I hope you guys feel the exact same way that I do. I need to get this. I'm bringing this home today. You ain't stealing this from me.
But I had plans. The chickens wanted it.
This is what Hector built me. It's bigger than your dog. I actually got to get that. Hector would be mad at me. I almost left that. I'm glad he didn't see it because he's over there. Hector! My guy's got the trailer here. That's a whole lot of dough. Lady May right here. You know Lady May and Mango are obviously going to be coming to the new farm, of course. The goats as well, like I mentioned. So Lady May, Mango, and the goats are all coming to the new farm. And then the ducks. This thing is crazy. What are you building?
My house, man.
This is gonna be nice. Elevated off the ground. You're a trader.
The trader?
You're here at the VZ Kids?
You know, it's the business.
You gotta make the money.
Yeah, make
I
money.
respect it. I respect it.
But you know, when you need me, I'm there.
You're there. I respect it. Okay. Let's show you what the 4,000 gallon looks like now. Completely empty, just got rainwater in it, and we pushed all the gravel to this side. This is all stuff I've been doing off camera. Like, I was here the other day and we were just pushing all the gravel to this side over here so that he could do whatever he wants with this big old pond here. I left the filtration with him. I left everything, like $30,000 worth of stuff left VZ Kids to do something cool with. What do you have planned for the 4,000? I have no idea.
I actually just got done talking to Hector about it because you guys know that he built the original one. We're gonna have him clean this all out. We're gonna have him power wash it all, repaint it the exact same color.
Which will look absolutely amazing.
And then I think we're gonna fill it with like 20 koi and turtles and whatever our viewers say in the comments they want to see in here. So once this thing gets all filled up, I already talked to Anthony about it. He's gonna jump off the roof into it.
Yeah.
Off there into here?
I'm definitely doing that.
And they also, looks like they got a bunch of water turtles and tortoises and stuff like that. You guys already made videos on that, right?
Yeah, we got a bunch of videos on that showing off the newest animals.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what you guys do out here. It's gonna be awesome. It really is. What's really cool is Anthony here loves some of the YouTubers that have actually visited this house that you're now about to move into, which is awesome. Carter Share was here, and you told me when you first got into this house, you were like, that's one of my favorite YouTubers. If not, you like him more than me. I know, it's fine, you could say it. And he was telling me how cool it is that he's in the house that Carter was also in as well. So yeah, you guys are gonna have an absolute blast. A lot of YouTubers have been here.
Carter Share pooped in this bathroom.
Oh, well, now for the tank inside, as you can see, you're probably like, what the heck? Last video I showed this, it was lit up, it had stuff in it. When I mean a lot goes on behind the camera, off camera, a lot does. Tommy came over here with his team. As you know, Tommy's the one that set all this up in the first place. He actually took all my corals out, my eel out, and all my fish, and he put it at his shop. He now has his own warehouse and stuff. So we're gonna get all that back. I'm actually gonna go film that. To further explain, the 31st of this month, I'm getting a 350 gallon saltwater tank set up at the new place, and that's where all this will go.
Bye, Paul!
All right, VZ Kids.
Thank you!
See you later, man. Woo!
VZ Farm 1.0!
See you guys. I probably should put in drive. That's like 5,000 pounds of weight off my shoulder. I finally told you. A blessing in disguise, that is for sure. Hello everyone, we are back home here at the PC Farm 2.0. There is so much going on and just life in general right now, and I thank every single one of you for tuning in. When it's all said and done, it's worth the wait. Pigs here already. There's gonna be ducks, an epic pond there, a 1,400 square foot building with many, many new fish. Another enclosure over there with Lady May and Mango, goats over there. Everything will be here at some point. But this was a big video for me. This was something I've wanted to say for a while, but it just had to be the right time. I wanted to get these pigs over here at least before I made this video. Hopefully everything makes sense. Everything is coming here besides the brown babies with Willow and that crew and the hogs, and then a couple ducks probably, because this is not as big as that enclosure and they wanted some ducks as well. How many pecans can you have? For old time's sake, I'm doing a positive comment shout out. It's been probably over a year now. Raphael, I believe is how you pronounce it, but it's going to you because you commented about it, so congrats. Past couple of videos have been definitely random. We're building an epic duck house right here this week, so stay tuned for that. Look at the pond, it has no water in it. It's just so clear too. Don't forget to go bookmark the Whatnot stream for a chance to win either one of these and some super awesome Pokemon cards. If that's something you're interested in, I'm telling you, don't miss out. Without further ado, I will see you right back here in the next one. Peace.